Hi everyone, welcome back to Wealth with Sud. Today we're talking about something every beginner investor should know, SIP or Systematic Investment Plan. If you've ever wondered what SIP is and how it actually works, stay tuned till the end. Part 1. What is SIP? SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's a smart and disciplined way to invest in mutual funds, where instead of investing a lump sum, you invest a fixed amount, like RS 500, RS1, 000, or even more, every month. Think of it like a recurring deposit, but instead of earning fixed interest, your money is invested in the stock market through mutual funds. Part 2. How does SIP work? Here's how it works in simple steps. 1. You choose a mutual fund scheme. 2. Decide the amount you want to invest monthly. 3. Set up an auto debit, and that's it. Every month your money gets invested, and you get mutual fund units based on the current NAV, net asset value. The big advantage is Rupee cost averaging. When markets are high, you buy fewer units. When markets are low, you buy more units. Over time, this balances your cost and reduces risk. Plus, with compounding, your money keeps growing on itself if you stay invested for the long term. Part 3. Why SIP is great for you. You don't need a huge amount to start. Even Rs 500 per month works. It builds the habit of saving and investing regularly. And if you stay invested for 5, 10, or 15 years, SIP can help you build real wealth, whether it's for buying a house, retirement, or your child's education. So that's SIP. Simple, disciplined, and powerful. Are you already investing through SIP, or are you planning to start soon? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who want to start their investment journey.